Need help with snoring? Follow these tips. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. To stop yourself from snoring, you may want to change positions when sleeping. Snoring often happens when people are sleeping on their backs. Since gravity pulls your head down, it can cause your throat to close a little. If you sleep on your side, it will be easier to breathe. This also places less strain on the muscles of your neck. To curtail your snoring, you must first determine exactly why it is happening. For instance, certain health issues cause snoring, and without getting them treated, it won't go away. If you do, it could actually make your health worse. One of the most common mistakes people make during the evening is eating a huge meal in the hours before their bedtime. If your stomach is filled to capacity with food, it will take up more space and press up against your diaphragm. This has the unfortunate effect of making it difficult to breathe as you lie on your back. One of the most effective ways to stop snoring is to cease alcohol use. When you consume alcohol, the muscles in the back of your throat become too relaxed. This state of relation can increase your chances of snoring. If you really want to drink, only have one or two. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.